71 guests in a restaurant today. 2 guests, Jackie Greenberg, then 2 guests, Arjun Verma. Then section 2.
At We Are Ona, we start by service, food, drinks, but not only. It's the location, the set design, the atmosphere, it's in everything. This is really what we're trying to do, like bring the food and the culinary experience to a stage that you can have a souvenir from.
Okay, thank you guys. Have a good service.
So I'm Luca Pronzato. I'm the founder and creative culinary director at We Are Ona. So we are here today in New York at our pop-up at WSA. So this pop-up has been designed by Marc Leschelier, a good friend of mine. And another good friend of mine is in the kitchen, Dalad Kambhu. All my life I wanted to find a way to bring creatives together around culinary experiences. So I was working in different restaurants and vineyards before. And there I didn't really want it to build one restaurant. I wanted to create unique, ephemeral experiences based on food and bring creative together. Of course, chefs, sommelier, waiter, but also artists, designer. And so we started We Are Ona 5 years ago in April 2019. And we really wanted to travel the world to create those type of experiences. So now it's our 30th pop-up here. And we pop up in more than 10 countries. We always start by the location. It doesn't have to be a restaurant. And we always create something different. We like, for the pop-ups, to invite artists or designers. And so we give a carte blanche with criteria of numbers of covers, for example, or type of cuisine. And they create around it.
Walk us through the details again of how long this table is, how many?
So it's a table for 80 guests. So we have 80 stools. I think the table is 24 meters long. So there is this rubber tabletop. Underneath you have a truss that is actually used for concerts or this kind of thing. So it's very light beams. My idea for all my projects is to show all the elements in a very clear way. I want people to understand maybe the weight, the tension. All these things are not attached, they are just compressed by the chain in tension. The idea came we were with Luca in my studio and we saw 6 blocks stacked together and we said, that's the perfect chair.
Hi, my name is Dalad Kambhu. I am a chef and we are at the WSA in New York. Doing a pop-up is actually something really, really fun for chef, but a lot of time can get quite chaotic, it can get really difficult, it can go in the wrong way, and luckily with We Are Ona, it's not like that. It's been incredibly rewarding to do it, the energy you get from the guests. People come and they see the space, and then they have the food. So when I say it's like a pairing that you dance together, energy-wise, I think it's like dancing, I thought of the menu that we want the flavor to be quite bold, but still, have some kind of, softness into it. Luckily, We Are Ona gave me a lot of creative freedom, so I just came up with a menu and then we didn't even have to change anything. We said, let's do it.
A culinary experience is incredible for designer because you can see it, of course, like we were mentioning, but you can live it. So you sit on the pieces, you eat on the pieces, So your art piece is becoming something that is alive. And this is something really special. It's for that I think finding a design, it's made to work together.